that's your bike? Let me see.
Wow, whose is that stuff? Whose is that, Mason?
Mine.
Yeah, but whose is that?
Hey, go tell Trey and Marley. Get up.
Hey, listen, whose is this?
Molly's.
Then whose is that?
Mine. See that bag.
Whose is that? Is that Trey's?
No, it's Bunny.
Oh, that's the Easter bunnies?
Go yell for Trey and Marley. Tell them but Easter Bunny come. Hurry.
Come on, let's go get Trey and Marley and tell them. Hurry, come on. Here, leave this here. Hurry, go tell them.
It's Bunny King.
Go tell them.
Yell for him. No, he's okay.
It's Bunny King.
Yell on this side. Go bring him here.
Hey, Tim. It's Bunny King.
Here they come. Tell him.
Come on.
Are you guys sleepyheads or what?